Welcome back. Playboy magazine founder 84-year-old Hugh Hefner gets lucky the third time as he's gotten engaged again, and this time to a 24-year-old. Imagine an 84-year-old marrying a 24-year-old. Hefner said in a Twitter message that he'd given a ring to girlfriend and playmate Crystal Harris, and she burst into tears. This would be Hefner's third marriage. He divorced playmate Kimberly just last year. It's never too late to marry, isn't it? India bounced back in the second test, courtesy some brilliant bowling from Zaheer Khan and Harbhajan Singh to pack off South Africa for 131 in the first innings on the second day of the second cricket test in Durban. Harbhajan Singh took 4 wickets and Zaheer Khan chipped in with 3 wickets as India got a crucial 74-run lead by bowling out South Africa for 131. Replying to the visitors' modest first innings score, the South Africans maintained a healthy run rate, but they kept losing wickets at regular intervals thanks to Zaheer and Harbhajan, of course, scalping the first 2 victims. In our Margari season special today, our reporter Pratibha Raman learns all about techniques and gestures that define the popular dance form of Bharatanatyam. And here's how you get the talam right.
Be it Bharatanatyam or any other classical art form, an artist communicates with the audience through graceful movements and profound expressions. But not everybody in the audience is able to comprehend the significance of different hand gestures or mudras, or is able to identify the rhythm cycles. Organized by Karthik Fine Arts at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Natya Darshan 2010 Bharatotsav brought established artists like the Kirans from Bangalore and Meenakshi Chittaranjan in Chennai, who demonstrated the patterns of rhythm and different gestures that form the very basis of Bharatanatyam.
What I have conceptualized in this is that how we can probably give a kind of, say, a very suggestive way, an introduction to all the aspects of Bharatanatyam in one piece. That is all the technical aspects as well as all the bhavam, the abhinayam, and everything I have tried to fit it in the frame of a Chatusharadharipu.
From every movement of the head, expression of the eye, to the posture of the leg, the basics were broken down and presented in artistic geometric patterns, and each of these movements synchronized with varied rhythm cycles. It was an enlightening experience not just for the layman but for their dance students too.
It's very different from the rest of the pieces you would have seen. So when the process itself was a lot of learning for us, the rehearsals and everything was a lot of learning plus a lot of fun also.
Rhythms are not just about calculations, but it's also about how they are incorporated in classical dance. And it's not just these jatis, be it simple or complicated, that define every dance form structure, but there are so many facets and techniques that define it. And what can be the best platform but the Margari season to illustrate it in new and different ways possible. In Chennai, with camera person Kuti Raja, this is Pratibha Raman for NDTV Hindu.
How beautiful, isn't it? Each little movement of even a fingertip means so much for a dancer, Pratibha Raman being one of them. That's all we have for you on this wholesome show. Headlines now, but stay tuned to NDTV Hindu. Up next is my colleague Saudamani with news in Tamil. Goodbye.